and welcome back to Judicial Landmark Cases. Gibbons versus Ogden.
Oh, hello there, and welcome back. Today we're going to cover the Gibbons versus Ogden court case. Chief Justice Marshall delivered the opinion of an anonymous 6-0 court siding with Gibbons. On the definition of commerce, the court broadly declared commerce undoubtedly is traffic, but is something more. It describes the commercial intercourse between nations and parts of nations in all its branches, and is regulated by prescribing rules for carrying on that interaction. The decision called Gibbons' federal license an legitimate exercise of the regulation of commerce provided in Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution. The New York state law created a commercial monopoly was therefore void, since it conflicted with the regulatory power of the federal government in the performance of its constitutional responsibilities. The court ruled that Gibbons must be allowed to operate within the waters of New York state. Thus, Marshall declared the acts of New York must yield to the laws of Congress. As a result of the decision, state licensed monopolies on island waterways ended and business competition was encouraged. In 1837, the court under Chief Justice Roger B. Taney would go on one step further and effectively eliminate state licensed monopolies across the board. The Gibbons decision established for all time the supremacy of the national government in all matters affecting the interstate and foreign commerce. Broad readings of the Commerce Clause gave it legal elasticity that was later extended to include federal regulation of railways, airlines, pipelines, television stations, telephone communication, and even radical segregation. Many constitutional scholars considered Marshall's opinion in the Gibbons case the Chief Justice's finest.
Next week on the History Channel. Top 10 reasons why you shouldn't try to assassinate President Andrew Jackson.